All right, let's take a look at 7 side hustles students can start in 2025. Whether you want to earn extra money or gain valuable experience, these jobs are perfect for students. First up, content creation. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are still super popular. If you have a passion or a special skill, try creating content about it. You might even become a star. Next, freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find work, whether it's writing, graphic design, or even coding. The best part is the flexibility. You can manage your study time alongside your work. Third, online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, try teaching others. Platforms like Chegg and tutor.com make it easy to connect with students who need help. Now let's talk about dropshipping. No need to stock products, just open an online store and partner with a supplier. Shopify and WooCommerce are great platforms to get started. Fifth, print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Websites like Printful and Teespring will handle the production and shipping. Next up, virtual assistant work. Many businesses need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and data entry. It's a great way to gain work experience. Finally, try blogging. Share your experiences, tips, and knowledge on topics you're passionate about. Earn money through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. These are 7 side hustles you can start in 2025. Pick one and get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips like these. See you in the next video.